Welcome to Learn Big Data Hadoop Hands on for Beginners. In this course, we will build a strong foundation in big data technologies and gain practical experience with the entire Hadoop ecosystem. I am excited to guide you step by step through real world tools and hands on experience. My goal is to make big data simple, practical, and beginner friendly. Whether you are completely new or transitioning into big data, this course will give you everything you need to get started the right way. Today's organization generate massive amount of data from mobile apps, devices, websites, sensors and many more. Traditional system cannot handle very huge volume efficiently. That's where big data technologies, especially Hadoop, plays a powerful role in storing and processing the data at scale. In this course, you will learn everything from the basic of big data to advanced computation of the Hadoop ecosystem. We will cover installation on Windows and Ubuntu, over 40 plus hands on HDFS command, Hadoop architecture, Yarn, MapReduce, Pig, Hive, Sqoop, Flume, Kafka, and much more. Everything is taught through real world demonstration. So you will build practical skills. You will work directly with real big data tools. This includes Hadoop 3.3.0, HDFS, MapReduce programming, Apache Pig, Apache Hive, Sqoop for data transfer, Flume for log ingestion, Kafka for streaming, and even Python with Databricks. You won't just learn concept, you will actually use them. Hadoop is not just a tool, it's a complete ecosystem. You will understand how HDFS stores data, how Yarn manages resources, how MapReduce process data, and how tools like Hive, Pig, Sqoop, Flume, and Kafka fit into the data pipeline. By the end, you will know how modern big data system works together. This course is designed for beginners, student, data analyst, tester, and developer who want to enter the big data field. You do not need prior experience. Everything starts from the basics. Even if you are preparing for big data interview, this course will help you solidify your concepts. Our teaching style focuses on clarity and hands on practice. Every concept is explained in simple language, followed by a demonstration. You will see real commands, real Hadoop cluster, and real workflow so that you can gain practical confidence. By the end of this course, you will be able to confidently work with the Hadoop ecosystem, perform HDFS operation, write MapReduce logic, use Hive and Pig for data analysis, move data into Sqoop, collect logs with Flume, stream data through Kafka, and answer real world questions. Your big data journey begins here. Thank you for choosing this course, and I look forward to teach you. Let's start our first session, Introduction to Big Data.